Okay, so today's Monday of week 16. We're going to be combining like terms to solve with equations. Homework is odds. What are odds? 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Front and back. So you're going to do a little bit from the front, a little bit from the back. Now, overall missing assignments. Next Friday is the 12th. It's going to be your last day for missing assignments. So if you have stuff from like September, October, November that you would like to turn in to improve your grade, you have until next Friday. Okay? Why? Because then that gives me time to grade it before the 19th. 19th grades are due. All grades are due on the 19th. But what if you turn in everything on the last day? Am I going to have enough time to grade everything?
Yeah.
I'm not. Because whatever I assign to you on the 19th as a class, that's what I'm grading and then turning in. So if you have, Hannah and Daniel, if you have things you want me to grade from like September, October, November, December, Daniel, I need it by the 12th. And that gives me 5 days to grade it. If you turn it in this day, I probably won't have time to grade it because I'll be grading whatever we do in class.
Wow.
So, last day for missing assignments. If you have do nows that are missing, you can do those on your own time. You don't have to wait for me, right? Do those. You should have no do nows missing. If, for some reason, you still have the yellow homework log,
Yes, I have it.
please turn that into me. You should not have this. I should. You can turn it to me during the period, right now, later.
Actually, I don't have it.
Okay? Most of you, I collected it last week.
Yeah, I turned it in.
Okay. Now, let's begin. Week 16. All right. December 1st. We're here.
Well, man, you got any notebooks too?
Yep.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah. Combining like terms to solve equations. Combining like terms to solve equations. All right. iPads away. Thinking caps on. All right. So, last week, or last time we were together, we were doing problems looked like this. Right? 2x plus 5 is greater than 7. And what was our goal? Our goal was to get x by itself, right? So what number do I move first? 5. Very good. How do I move the 5? Very good. So we're going to move the 5, move the 5. Move the 5, move the 5. What's 17 minus 5? 12. Bring down your inequality. What do I have left on this side? 2 what?
X.
X. Very good. Remember this from 10 days ago?
No.
Okay.
Totally.
How do I move the 2? Divide it. So we're going to divide, that's division, 2, 2. The 2 disappears, turns into a 1. I'm left with x is greater than what?
6.
Very good, 6. Now this is the only one we're graphing. What does this answer mean? This answer means that it's an open circle on the number 6. And which way are we shading? The left or the right? To the right. Now what does this mean? This means that any answer that's on this side, on the right side, 7, 8, 9, 10, could be used to solve this inequality. So we have multiple answers that are true. All of the numbers that are greater than 6 are possible solutions for our problem. This is called an inequality because it has an inequality symbol. Today, we're going to do equations. Now, does anybody know the difference between an inequality and equation? Well, this is an equation. Let's see if you can figure out what's the difference. This is an equation. What's the difference?
I don't know. Has it equal sign?
Exactly. That's the only difference. The equal sign. So this one is greater than, and this one's an equation. Or an equal sign. When you have an equal sign, it's called an equation. But is the math different? No. Which number do I move first?
4.
4. How?
Addition.
Good. So, Orlando, write this down. Eight plus 4. Good. So it says minus, so you're going to add. You're going to add 4, you get 12. What's my last step? Divide. Divide. What am I going to divide by?
3.
3. What is x equal to? 4. So this is an equation. Is it any different than what we've been doing with inequalities? Nope. It just has a big equal sign. The difference is when I graph this, there's only a dot. There's no shading. Because x equals 4. So it's only 4. Not bigger, not smaller than 4, but just the number 4. So we don't graph them because it's only one answer. All right. X divided by 5 minus 4 is equal to 6. All right. Get some water in me. All right, what number do I move first? How do I move the 4? It says
Plus
minus 4, so what do you do?
Plus 4.
Plus 4, very good. All right, what's 6 plus 4? 10. Ooh, x over 5. So what's the opposite? Multiply. You got 50 before I did. Good job.
Okay.
Woo, good job. X equals 50. Okay, so that was what we learned before. Ready for the new stuff?
No.
No.
Good, I'm glad. Positivity. Andrew, let's focus because this is the new stuff. What's new about it? Let's see if you can spot out what is the new part. All right. So far, nothing has changed.
Oh, miss, I think we're there.
Yeah, me too.
I think it's the 55 minutes. Yeah, you drew the 5 smaller.
There's too many X's.
It's an equation. What, Chris?
It's like,
You have it. What did you just say?
There's too many X's.
There's too many X's.
you're lucky, Chris.
There's too many X's.
I need that.
And you get.
Yep. So, you got 3x and you have a 2x. We're just used to having 1x. Now we have 2 sets. It's like, dude, what happened? Well, if you look at the title, it tells you what to do. Our title for today's lesson is Combining Like Terms to Solve Equations. So combining like terms, we have to put the terms that are alike together, which is what I taught you a couple of weeks ago, maybe months ago.
I totally remember.
Totally.
I remember.
Remember this?
No. Yes.
I remember everything like it was yesterday.
All right. What's 3x plus 2x?
5X.
So we're going to put your x's together, and it's actually really easy on the mat. What's 3 plus 2?
5.
5x. So these two become 5x. All right, Edward, we're paying attention? It's easy, but you got to pay attention. Okay, then I drop down the 10 plus 10, right? It's right there, right? So we just bring it straight down.
Okay.
Then equals 55.
Ooh. Now it's easier.
Now it's easier, exactly. Now it's things that we've already done before. So the only new part is putting these two together. All right, what number do I move?
10.
10. How?
Subtraction.
Subtract. Axel, I need you to write this down and work faster than I am. What's 55 minus 10?
44. Oh, wait.
45.
45.
Yep. Equals 5x. Now what's my last step?
Divide.
Divide. Edward, do you have a working pencil that you're using?
I'm putting a letter into the pencil.
All right. What is x equal to?
9. Whoa.
So it looks harder, but the only new is doing 3x plus 2x. At this point, it should be super easy and not hard at all. Overall, it's not a hard thing to do. All right, let's try this one. 2x minus 18 plus x equals 24. Okay, write it down first. Write it down first. Now, what do you think we're going to do these middle?
The x add.
The x's. We're going to put the x's together. Now, there's an invisible number.
It's a 1.
Yeah. So there's an invisible uno.
700.
Invisible 1 right here. Okay. So we're going to put 2x and the plus x. What's 2x plus x?
3x.
3x. 3x. What do I bring down?
Minus 18.
Minus 18.
Equals 24.
Minus 18 equals 24. Very good. So I put the red together. 2x, 1x. I get 3x. Then minus 18 equals 24. So I bring down everything. I combine these two. Now what? What do I move?
18.
18. How do I move it?
So, addition.
Add. Yeah, we got to add this time. If this is subtraction, what's the opposite of subtraction? Addition. I'm going to add 18 to both sides. I'm going to use my fingers to add 24 plus 18.
42.
Nice. All right, what's my last step? Divide. Divide. What number am I going to divide by? 3. Now remember, what's the number one thing I'm grading? I'm grading the work, so make sure you're showing work like I am. X equals, ooh, I'm going to go on the side. How many times is 3 going to 4? 1. Good job. You're going to be doing this next year in 8th grade, solving equations. They just get longer, and you're going to do this in high school. You're going to be solving for X throughout high school. So it's very important that you're learning how to show work. You're understanding that I got to put X's together. Tomorrow I'm going to show you something else. You will be using this in high school. And if you go to college, you'll be using this in college. Okay? So it doesn't disappear, what I'm teaching you right now. All right, let's do one step harder. Are we ready for one step harder? What if I say 5 steps easier? Are you ready for 5 steps easier?
No.
No,
Yeah, I
it's
knew
gonna
it.
be
I
hard.
knew I would get the same answer. It's not that hard. Or is it?
This is super hard.
I know. I know. What's different?
The x is divided.
Minus.
It's a minus x. But what are kids gonna ignore? The minus. It's not 6x. It's
It's
not 6x.
It's
4.
Yes, why is it 4?
Because it's trash.
Because it's a minus.
I knew that, miss.
So 4.
Yep. So it's a minus x. So what's 5x minus
4.
x? 4x. Good. Good.
Give it a racer.
Yeah, give me a minute. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Duh. Oh, sorry. Cayó en tu chamarra. Thank you. Sorry. Of all the things, it flew onto her sweater. All right, what number do I move?
12.
12. How?
Subtraction.
I don't know.
Some of you guys are doing such a fantastic job with this.
I know that's me.
36 minus 12.
24.
Good. Equals 4x. Now what?
Divide
By?
4.
Ah. What is x equal to?
6.
Good.
7.
We're good?
Yep.
Okay, the hardest one of the day.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be the easiest one of the day.
Good.
6, 7.
Yo.
The hardest one of the day.
Miss, that's hard.
I
Yes,
know.
I don't even
When
know
I say
what I'm
hard,
doing.
I mean it's hard.
I know. What are you gonna do?
Wait.
Okay, good. Genius. I lost the war.
Six x minus 3x. So what's 6x minus 3x? 3x. What makes this hard is that kids will literally ignore that minus. And it's like, no, no, no. You got to use it. It's not 9. Not 9. And then what do I bring down with the 15?
30.
Subtraction. That was really
Emo.
Yep. And that was the sound. No, that's not an emo.
I heard that. Miss, I don't think that was an emo.
Miss, that was totally an
Do the math.
All right. Now, what do I move and how?
I don't know, miss.
What number do I move first? The
I think you
15.
do plus 15.
Very good. So I'm going to add 15. Add 15 to both sides. All right, what's 30 plus 15?
45.
Okay. What number do I divide by?
3.
What is x equal to? 15. That's it. You just successfully finished the hardest problem of the day. Meaning all the problems on the worksheet are easier than this. Okay, listen very carefully. We are only going to be doing the front side.
How much is it?
That's too hard.
Front.
That's too
And we're going to skip 2 problems.
Wait, that might not be hard.
Oh my god, Marty.
I don't want to do it. I guess. side? Chris, keep it here. Which side, Chris? Which ones are we supposed to do in after?
She's gonna tell us.
But Chris, I thought you knew everything.
I knew equations, bro.
You know,
Need you extras?
I wanted to do something to start.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the first one with you. All right, here we go.
I'm doing
You are going to skip 2 and 8. So skip
And we do the rest?
2 and skip 8. For those of you who want to work ahead of me, we're going to skip number 2 and we're going to skip number 8. For those of you who want to go faster.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do number.
Do the rest?
You have to do the rest. You're only doing the front, nomás lo de enfrente. Okay, make sure that it says number 3 on the front side. Number 3. Okay, number 3, make sure it's number 3. The other one says 2, but you're on number 3. All right, let's do number 1 together. It should look like this. All right, so we're going to put okay, so what's 6x and 3x? Whoopsie. What's 6x
3.
plus 3x? 9x.
I'm already finished.
Wait, what? Oh,
So it should be 9x, right?
Yeah.
9x. Then what do I bring down?
minus 10 and
Minus
35.
10 equals 35. So we're going to put your x's together. We have, go ahead of me, finish before the bell rings. 6x, 3x, 9x. Now I'm going to move the 10. How do I move the 10?
45. Wait.
So you're going to
Addition.
add, very good, addition. You're going to add 10 to both sides,
This is
Aiden.
45.
Seriously, I don't want to see that.
Miss
What's 35 plus 10?
45.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
What's my last step?
Divide
Divide by.
9.
Divide by 9 on both sides. And that's it.
EBU. What? What?
Plus 2x.
I see the spot.
2x.
Maybe we could divide.
All of them except 2 and 8. 2x plus 2x? Yep, I did it the first period. No canvas. Ese va a ser de 12 más 2. ¿Qué va a ser eso? Después de eso. No, this is one step.
Huh?
And? Oh, what's 3 plus 2? What's yeah, what's 3 plus 2? Oh, wonder if I have to add those. So what's 2 plus 2? Good.
What?
Good. Oh, wait. Alright, how do I move 16? 116 equals 28. Okay, 1 second, Andrew. Let me pause the 50. Oh.
She forgot you were close.